When you first launch the app, please enable the permissions for exact alarms and notifications, as the app utilizes a foreground service. You can deactivate all alarms by clicking on the button, Alarm On Period. To prevent your phone from closing the app, you need to lock the app in the Recently Used Apps section. Here's an example for the Motorola Moto G54. We have also provided you with a free widget that can be adjusted in height and width. In the free version, the repetition of the alarm can be set to 10, 15, or 30 seconds. You can also add a progress line to the notification. Select the notification icon and select the time for Do Not Disturb time.